Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about a specific topic which is sterilization zone. First of all, we need to know what sterilization means. Sterilization destroys all microorganisms on the surface of an article or in a fluid to prevent disease transmission associated with the use of that item. CSSD, meaning Central Sterile Services Department, is an integrated place in hospitals and other healthcare facilities that performs sterilization and other actions on medical devices, equipment and consumables for subsequent use by health workers in the operating theater of the hospital and also for other aseptic procedures. Sterile processing departments are typically divided into four major areas to accomplish the functions of decontamination, assembly and sterile processing, sterile storage and distribution. This is the process cycle of CSSD. So what should be in the sterilization unit? Reception, control and disinfection area, washing and sanitizing carts, staff changing rooms, lockers, toilets, supervisor's office, clean work area required for preparing special instruments, testing instruments, equipment, linens, assembling treatment trays and linen packs, and for preparing materials for sterilization. Assembly area required for medical surgical treatment packs, sets, and trays. Workbench with multiple drawers for instruments and suppliers are necessary. Double door pass-through autoclaves, sterile store and adequate space for loaded sterilizer carts, issue counter, clean cart storage area, provision for supply of steam, hot and cold water and other utilities and services. Fundamental principles. The unit physically should be independent from other work areas. The unit should be designed to separate dirty and clean areas. The unit should be planned to an indirectional workflow from dirty to clean area. It should not be used for other purposes. It should not be used to pass to other services. And also it should be not be used as a part of any treatment area. Activity zones. Red color refers to soil zone, meaning decontamination zone. Blue color refers to a clean zone, meaning device inspection, preparation, and packaging zone. Green color refers to sterile zone, and yellow color refers to support zone. Activity zones requirement. Sterilization unit depends on variable factors such as number of beds, number of operations, single usage frequency of disposable materials. Approximately sterilization unit percentages: 35% soil zone, again 35% clean zone, 20% sterile zone, 10% support zone. Sterilization unit must be included direction signs and emergency exit signs. Soil zone is where medical devices, equipment, and consumables which their sterility are corrupted, accepted into the unit, classified, cleaned, and decontaminated. Microbial and particle in the decontamination zone pollution from the environment will likely be at a high controlling pollutants. Therefore, regularly cleaning and disinfection is required. In addition, the contamination zone must be physically separated from all areas of the procedure zones. Also, its entrance must be provided by separated service corridor. The depth of the sinks to be used for manual cleaning should not be less than 35 cm in order to prevent splashes. Wash basins should be designed as pairs. One of the wash basins is used for manual washing and the other one is used for rinsing process. Parts of the soil zone, waste and dirty disposable area of sterilization unit, devices, equipments and consumables receiving and sorting area, control and registration area, transferred car washing area, manual tool and material washing area, area of automatic washers, storage area for packing materials and chemicals, personnel protective equipment storage area, and sinks for washing. This is some plan layout of the soiled zone, meaning dirty zone. Clean zone. The height of the workbenches used in the clean area should be 90 cm high, enough to allow working. Its surface must be made of smooth, scratch-proof, unbreakable materials which are not affected by disinfectants and detergents. Clean area consists of bathing, loading, and cooling of instruments and materials to be sterile, including the area reserved for entering sterilizers and ethylene oxide in a separate compartment within the area. Leak-proof special ventilations, gas control detectors should be designed properly for the ethylene oxide sterilizers. Also, proper separated spaces and areas should be designed for the possible leakage situations. Parts of the clean zone: tool maintenance and control, packaging, safe storage of packaged materials to be sterilized, textile folding and storage, storage of materials and personal protective equipment to be used in the clean area. Again, we have plan layouts of the clean zone. Sterile zone. Sterile zone should be designed as an area which includes sterilization, cooling, sterile material storage, receiving sterile materials. Since the temperature and humidity affects the area which they occur during the opening the steam sterilizer doors, cooling area between the material storage area and sterilizers should be designed to prevent the risk of contamination. Keeping the sterility of a sterile material until the point of use is very essential. Keeping the materials in the storage areas without causing contamination is essential as well. Sterile storage zone. Sterile storage zone should be located to the sterilization zone adjacently, as well as located in a section which is separated and aims only the storage of sterile and clean materials preferably. In addition, the entrance and the exit of the section must be limited. The section where sterile materials will be delivered to users should be separated as well. Ventilation system should be designed in such a way that the air flows out from the sterile storage zone with the positive pressure. Material shelves in a storage zone should be at least 30 cm above from the ground. Its distance to the ceiling after placing the materials on the top shelf should be at least 50 cm. In addition, it should also be placed 5 cm ahead from the wall for the air circulation. Fire hydrants should be placed within accessible distance and position for the fire safety. Storage should be placed as groups such as used packaging materials and systems, packaged devices according to the types and transportation methods used in the health institution. Support zone. We have a staff restroom, training area, kitchen, changing rooms, toilets and showers, compressor and uninterruptible power supply support must be located in the support zone. Since power supplies and compressors from the unit causes excessive noise, it is recommended to be installed in a distant area. According to the new sources, manager's office is located within the boundaries of the support area and also dominates the sterile zone as well as the instrument preparation zone. Laundry and textile preparation zone. Laundry and textile preparation zone should be designed separately from the sterilization unit. If it is designed in the sterilization unit, it should be located in different sections with the support of a special air conditioning. A sufficient area for clean laundry storage, a shelf, and an illuminated control desk should be designed. The illumination source should be enough to see turns, holes, and damaged parts occur in the laundry. Hand washing sinks should be located in the transition points between soiled, clean, and sterile zones. It is necessary to add materials such as liquid soap, paper towels, and paddle pin to the hand washing sinks. In addition, there should be hand disinfectants in transition points. Hand washing areas should also be located in the support zones, such as resting areas that is used by all personnel. Techniques and architectural factors. Floors. Floor and wall joints should be monolithic without joints. The corners should preferably be rounded with durable polyurethane material. Ground material should be smooth, easy to clean, and heat-resistant. Ground color should be designed to see the tools easily if they are dropped on the floor. Since the cleaning and disinfection of joint cracks are difficult, they can create a suitable environment for the growth of microorganisms. Therefore, ceramic should not be preferred for the floor. Solid floor coverings such as PVC should be used. All of the surface materials should be designed as not to be affected adversely by the chemicals during the cleaning application. Walls. The walls should preferably be covered with washable vinyl material. If the vinyl coating is not applied, it should be designed with smooth, anti-static epoxy paint to prevent the colonization of microorganisms. The paint of the walls should be protected against the damages caused by friction of transferred cards. Automatic, semi-automatic doors should be preferred. The opening direction of the door should be to the side with high air pressure. If the door is not automatic, it should be self-closing. It is preferred to have a vision panel at the door so that the other side can be seen easily. Glass instead of wall for ease of inspection and a feeling of spaciousness, partitions can be preferred. There should be no openable windows on the outdoor walls of the sterilization unit. Ceilings of working zones should be including a surface to cover the installment passing through. Installations such as illumination should be designed embedded in the ceiling. Among the soiled, clean and sterile storage areas in the sterilization unit plan, air passage should not be allowed in ceilings. Air conditioning. Air conditioning systems providing centrally filtered air should be preferred instead of split air conditioners in sterilization units. Working zones should provide appropriate temperature to make the personnel comfortable and provide smooth operation of the devices. 20-25 centigrade temperature and 40-75% humidity is recommended. Sterilization units plan layout examples. Generally, sterilization units are designed right next to or near to operating theater, as we can see on these hospital plan examples. Thank you for listening.